Hi friends, I made a video recently which said biggest mistake corrected, right? The thumbnail looked like this and many requests were made because I made that video in Hindi. The title was my biggest mistake in stock photography career and how I am correcting it now to maximize revenue, right? Well, I don't need to ramble for such a long. Okay, in that video, I actually discussed in very detail what all I did wrong in various agencies. But most of you who saw that video in my channel already know what it's about. But only for those who need the English version because you don't understand Hindi, I'm just gonna summarize just by saying I had set my payout limit to a huge amount. In Shutterstock it was $2,000. In Adobe stock I decided to make a payout after $500, so on and so forth, right? So actually I used to wait. I have been doing this since last 3 years, and I used to wait for 6 months, 1 year, 1.5 years till I reached the payout limit, right? And I actually enjoyed when so much bulk amount of money got credited to my bank account. But that is wrong practice. You should never do it. Why? Because recently I have got my interest in stock trading, mutual funds and all that, but I'm not going to discuss all those in my channel and contaminate my photography content. But the summary is, if you let your money sit around in Shutterstock, in Adobe stock and all those agencies, basically you are giving an interest free loan to those agencies, right? Which you don't need to do. You simply take out your money as soon as the minimum payout balance is reached, right? And then even if you keep that money in your savings account, it will give you some interest, because we are here, we are fighting for few cents, right? 10 cents, 20 cents are the values of photos that we are getting after each sale. So why not get some extra dollars by keeping them in your savings account? Moreover, you can do much more with that money. You can invest and you can do what not productive things, right? So that's the main thing. That was the summary of this video. And in that video what I did was, why it was so long, because I went to individual agencies. I showed you the payout processes. Few agencies had automatic payout in which I just edited the amount. Few agencies I just made the payout request where I already reached the minimum payout balance, and that was it. Very soon a video will come out. I will tell you how I use my stock photography income, what I do, how I do, and it's gonna be interesting, right? It used to be very different previously and it will be very different from now on. So stay tuned for that video. Anyways, thank you for those requests. And lastly, it was a subscriber. This is him, Mr. MA. Thanks for opening my eye, and I thank you a lot for this tip so that I realize my mistake, and that's it. So if you are doing this mistake by making me a role model, please don't do it. Please set your payout limits to minimum, and then you can get maximum revenue out of your passive income. So that's it. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button. Please share this video to your friends, photographers and cousins, so that they don't do this mistake and they can also maximize their revenue. And I'll see you soon with another video. Till then, bye and take care. Thanks for watching.